Why do my clothes smell bad coming out of the dryer? You have an event scheduled later today and you've just taken your favorite outfit out of the dryer, but what is that awful smell? Despite how annoying this experience is, if you know a few troubleshooting tricks, it can be simple to resolve. In today's video we talk about some suggestions for avoiding unpleasant laundry odors. Some of the most frequent causes of bad-smelling laundry are mildew and mold accumulation. One of the more common causes of this is wet laundry that has been laying in the dryer for too long. If you load the machine, but neglect to switch it on, this can occur. More frequently, though, the dryer will turn off before the items are fully dried, leaving them to linger in moist conditions. Make sure the dryer is set to run for a sufficient amount of time to guarantee totally dry clothes. Another cause of a mold or mildew smell in clothes is actually caused by a washing machine. Mold can often develop in high-efficiency washing machines. Fill the empty drum of your washer with a cup of vinegar, then run the machine for a full cycle to get rid of mold and the smells that come with it. Overloading your machine makes it a challenge to wash clothes properly, which can leave your clothes still smelly and dirty. The majority of manufacturers recommend merely filling the tub to 3/4 of its capacity. Not enough water in your washing machine can also result in dirt and bacteria remaining on your clothes, which can cause bad odors. To solve this problem, check your instruction manual to learn how to properly adjust your water level. Different odor-producing bacteria also have different levels of resistance. You risk contaminating other clothing items you wash with dirt and sweat when you mix loads. Sort your laundry loads according to soil levels to solve this problem. Wash work clothes with work clothes, activewear with activewear, and your towels and blankets separate as well. There are also a number of potential reasons why your clothing smells like chemicals as it comes out of the dryer. If your dryer is brand new, it is probably off-gassing. New dryers may require a few cycles to completely burn off the residue left behind from manufacture. 1 or 2 50-minute laundry cycles should be enough to eliminate off-gassing from a new machine. That chemical smell on your clothing can also be caused if something is stuck on the drum itself. Chemical odors are typically caused by heated or melting plastic objects. Stickers and candy wrappers can stick to a drum and emit a foul odor that takes a very long time to dissipate. Here's one that few people actually think about. Elastic bands are often in clothing items like bras and undergarments, and can melt in high heat. That doesn't mean you have to hand wash and air dry objects that have elastic bands. For the least amount of trouble, just make sure you're following the washing and drying directions on the labels of clothing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.